Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial we will crochet a sunflower. Really easy and beginner friendly. Later on I will use this sunflower for the granny square, so stay tuned for the second tutorial. For this sunflower you will need only two colors, brown and yellow. For the granny squares you will need four colors. Any weight, decay, or I'm going to use medium worsted, and 4 millimeters crochet hook. So we start with a magic ring. As you see, 4 millimeters crochet hook and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now make 12 double crochet into the magic ring. 12. 1, yarn over, insert the hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now pull the tail to close the ring. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And join. I know that it's too dark, the yarn, so you need to join into the first double crochet. So you skip those chain 3. Chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and into the same stitch where you did a slip stitch into the first double crochet, make one more double crochet. Now in each of the next stitch make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, then into the next stitch, 1, 2, then again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Please go on to double crochet in each stitch around. And now let's join into the first double crochet. Now make a chain 1 and cut the yarn. So this is the center, and that's how it looks. Now take a yellow color and attach it into the same stitch or any other stitch where you want. So I'm going to attach it into the same stitch where I did a slip stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we start crocheting petals. Working into the same stitch, make 1 double crochet, then into the same stitch 1 treble crochet, go on working into the same stitch 1 more treble crochet, now let's make a picot stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch in top of the second treble crochet, so this bar, and make a slip stitch. Now again 2 treble crochet into the same stitch, so this is 1 and 1 more, and now make 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, 1, 2. So that's how the first petal is looking. Now skip the next stitch, you skip this stitch, and into the next one make a single crochet, then single crochet into the next stitch after, and repeat petal pattern. Chain 3, go on working into the same stitch, 1 double crochet, then 2 treble crochet, so 1 and 1 more, chain 3, now make a slip stitch into the top of second treble crochet here, make a slip stitch, go on working into the same stitch, 2 treble crochet, the second one, then 2 double crochet, like this. Skip the next stitch, this one you skip, and make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Then again 1 single crochet into the next stitch after, and repeat the petal pattern. Chain 3, count it as first double crochet, and now work into the same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 treble crochet, then picot stitch, then again 2 treble crochet and 2 double crochet. Please go on, and I will see you at the end. So that's what we have. Now skip the next stitch and make a single crochet. So you skip this one and make a single crochet. That's it. Now cut the yarn. And let's join. So here is the first chain out of your 3 that you did at the beginning. So underneath the both loops of your first chain, pull the tail, and then through the center of the last stitch. And you see this invisible join. Weave in all ends, and your sunflower is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, find the written instruction on my blog, and don't forget to check the granny square pattern. See you soon. Bye!